In this video, I'm going to show you how to change manager in BambooHR. Now to do this, first you want to go to people over here on the left, and then to change the manager, of course, you want to find the person you want to change the manager of. So I do have some sample demo data over here, as you can see top right. So I have a bunch of different people in here, which are all demo data. So I'm going to click on this first one over here, Charlotte, and then whenever I do this, it's going to open up that specific person's profile over here. And then what you have to do from here is just click on request a change here in the top right, and then click on job information. Now in here you can see job information is going to pop up, and if you scroll down here it's going to say reports to, and then over here is the manager. So you can just switch it or change it by clicking the drop down over here, and you want to change to whatever manager you want. So for example, if I put myself over here, you can then just click on submit, and that's really all you have to do. Now if for some reason you can't find this job information, you want to go to the job tab, scroll down, and here you have job information, and yet again you can just go and click on this edit button over here, and you'll be able to change it within here as well at the bottom. Okay, so that's how to do this. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.